Areas of trapezoids. This is not as easy as areas of rectangles or areas of triangles or even areas of parallelograms, but they're not too hard. Here's how it works. Every trapezoid has two bases. We'll call that B1. We'll call this one B2. And by definition, they are different lengths. Every trapezoid also has a height, which is the distance between the two parallel bases. The area of a trapezoid is 1/2 the height times the sum of the two bases. Now, you may recall from earlier investigations of trapezoids that the median, in other words, the segment that connects the midpoints of the two sides, whoa, that's not very straight, is it? The segment that connects the midpoints of the two sides, the median, is equal to the average of the bases. B1, well, let's see, there we go. B1 plus B2 over 2. And look at our area equation over here. If I take this 1/2 and put it underneath the B1 plus B2, and I can do that because it's all being multiplied, then another way of expressing the area is simply the median times the height. So you have two different formulas for areas of trapezoids. 1/2 h times B1 plus B2, or if you know the median and the height, m times h. All right, let's do some examples. So here we're told that B1 is 45 and B2 is 15, so I'll make this 45. I'll make that 15. We do not know h. We do know the area is 300. We do not know m. Okay, well, 300 is going to equal 1/2 h times 15 plus 45, which is equal to 1/2 of h times 60, which is equal to 30h. That means that h is 10. 300 divided by 30. So we've got that. Now the area is also h times m. So 10 times m will equal 300. So the median is 30. Let's look at another one. Okay, so this is a trapezoid here. It's not an isosceles trapezoid, but it's still a trapezoid. If I draw straight across right there, I create a 45, 45, 90 triangle where the hypotenuse is 9√2. That means that this is 9. I take the hypotenuse and divide it by √2. That's 9, and that's 6. So now we know enough to get our area. The area is 1/2. Here's our height. And B1 is 6. B2 is 9 plus 6. So that's 9 times 21 divided by 2. Well, let's see, what is that? That's 189 over 2. And you can leave your answer like that. Okay, how about this one? We're going to need a calculator for this because we don't know any trig functions for 38 degrees. And we're going to need trig to figure out how long this is right here. If I drop a perpendicular straight down, I know that that's going to be 8. I'll call this x. That's going to be 6. And so remember from trigonometry, the tangent of 38 is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So x tangent 38 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 divided by the tangent of 38. Bring in our calculator. Want to make sure I'm in degree mode. I am. I go 6 divided by tangent 38. There's x. 7.68. That means that our base right here is 8 plus that, which is going to be 15.68. So our area is 1/2 the height times 8 plus 15.68. Okay, 1/2 times 6 is 3. 8 plus 15.68 is 23.68. I'll bring my calculator back in, and we get 3 times 23.68, 71.04, so we'll just call that 71.